It has come to my attention that a lot of Turo hosts are simply working in their business all the time. They're washing cars, they're meeting customers, they're having to go to airports, they're dealing with claims. How do you have time to actually enjoy the money that you're making, Turo host? Right? So if you're a Turo host and you're watching this video, welcome to my channel. However, I'm about to show you why you need to get off Turo and get into the private car rental game. Okay? Turo is well, good, and great for training wheels. However, if you never take your training wheels off, how do you learn how to ride the bicycle? I hate to be the one to tell you this, but if you are playing on Turo still to today, you're still playing the child's game. If you're really serious about the car rental business, you should use Turo as just your starting point. And then you should learn how to build your own business. Turo is really just a weekend game, okay? You're just, renting cars essentially for the weekend. You're doing dailies, you're washing cars every other day, you're washing cars every weekend, you're meeting customers, you're driving to airports just to drive back, right? All for $200-$300 per rental. Let's be serious here. How are you gonna actually make money in a sustainable way in the business instead of just some kind of side hustle that you're doing just to bring in an extra couple $100 a week? Well, I'm Alex Otto. I help people start and scale their car rental businesses. With using my business model, I teach you and show you how to build a car rental business in a way where you can have the money, the freedom, and the location freedom. That's right. I'll teach you how to be able to run a car rental business where you can step away, where you can travel, where you and your family can enjoy the time and the money that you're actually making. And the truth is that you simply cannot do this on Turo. Why? Because Turo's business model is with daily rentals. Turo makes a lot of money by arbitraging the customer with the host. Turo doesn't own any vehicles, so they do not care what the requirement is to get the vehicles ready for rental, which is why a lot of Turo hosts get stuck in the middle. You get stuck having to clean cars, meet customers, make sure you're providing quality service, all while you don't make the most money in between. Turo does. So it is vital that if you want to scale your car rental business, if you want to make sure you take it to the next level, if you want to make sure you have consistent revenue and consistent income for your business, you need to be able to switch to the private car rental model. And here's why. In the private car rental game, you can choose who you give your cars to. And this is important because you can switch immediately from daily rentals where you have to get cars ready every single day, where you have to meet customers and go to airports, to weekly rentals where you rent cars on a weekly basis. Customers will pay you a weekly fee, and that eliminates the day-to-day activities just right there. You can also opt to do a monthly option where you rent cars on a monthly basis and you don't have to do any car washes for 30 days. So that means you can travel in that time, you can meet your family, right? You can go out and enjoy the money that you're making. What does it actually require to run a private car rental business? Well, the first thing you're gonna need is an LLC. You're gonna make sure you have a business, an LLC that's registered with your state. This will help limit your liability when you're doing business with your customer. The next thing you're gonna make sure that you need is insurance. Insurance is extremely important to protect your assets, and you also ideally wanna make sure that your customers have some kind of insurance policy, okay? I teach this, right, in my academy, in my mentorship. I teach people how to run private car rental businesses. So if you wanna know how, make sure you check out the link in the description to join the Facebook community where you'll be able to apply for mentorship and book a one-on-one call with me. Now let's go to the next part. The next thing you need is marketing. You need to be able to bring people into the door. That is very important. If you cannot market your business, you cannot get customers. If you cannot get customers, you cannot make money. So you have to make sure you're able to market your business. And then the most important part of this is to make sure you have an operation strategy. Okay, you have to have a way to operate your business in an effective and efficient manner. All right, and the operations is where you are able to free up your time and be able to travel and enjoy the money that you make. Okay, I'm an operational expert. Okay, I have 4 years in operations, and this is how I was able to figure out how to turn Turo hosts into private car rental businesses, and Turo hosts who go from washing cars every single day to being able to have a business that works for them, that pays them, allows them to travel and live anywhere in the world. That's what I do. So this isn't theory, this is something that I do, that I want to be able to present and produce for my students and my mentees. Okay, so essentially that is the basics understanding of how to go from Turo to private. Now in practice, it gets a little bit more complicated. Okay, so you need to be able to understand how to deal with customers. You need to be able to understand how to set up rental agreements, and you need to be able to understand how to manage and operate your systems and your team. Okay, so if you're serious about starting and scaling your car rental business, make sure you use the link in the description, right, to join the free Facebook community and to apply for mentorship. We'll be opening up our mentorship program very, very soon. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button so that we can save some more Turo hosts, okay? I'm tired of talking to Turo hosts and they're telling me how they have to wash cars, they have to go to airports. What is going on? What is going on, Turo hosts? You shouldn't have to do all of that, okay? You're the one that owns the car, okay? It's you, it's your car, and you're letting Turo run you around with your car. And on top of that, the crazy thing about it is that you're not even making the most amount of money. Turo is, okay? So Turo is well and good just to start, okay? Use it like training wheels, but learn how to build a private car rental business. Learn how to build it the right way with no debt, no auto loans, no car payments, right? That way you can enjoy the heavy cash flow with cheap economy cars that have low amount of maintenance so that you can keep more money in your pocket, all right? So if you're serious, make sure you join that Facebook group, apply for mentorship, and I'll see you on the inside.